Welcome Saturday classes. Today we are learning that point preposition Shabdayogi Avyay. A word that is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun in the sentences. It is called prepositions. एका व्यक्तीचे वस्तूचे दुसऱ्या व्यक्तीबरोबर वस्तूबरोबरचे नाते दर्शविण्यासाठी जो शब्द वापरतात त्यास शब्दयोगी अव्यय असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन, ऑन, ॲट, अपॉन, अंडर, आफ्टर, ॲगो, एक्सेट्रा. दॅट इज एक्झाम्पल. There are three types of preposition. First one, preposition of time, कालवाचक शब्दयोगी अव्यय. The word in, on and at are used with reference to the time. They are called preposition of time. या प्रकारात वेळेचा संबंध दर्शविण्यासाठी या शब्दयोगी अव्ययांचा वापर केला जातो. म्हणजे कोणत्या वेळी कोणती घटना घडलेली आहे हे दर्शविण्यासाठी आपल्याला ह्या प्रेपोजिशनचा वापर करता येतो. सेकंड वन, प्रेपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस, स्थलवाचक शब्दयोगी अव्यय. द वर्ड in, on and at are also used with reference to place. They are called preposition of place. या प्रेपोजिशनच्या मदतीने नामे, सर्वनामे यांच्या ठिकाणासंबंधी संबंध दर्शविला जातो. त्या स्थलवाचक शब्दयोगी अव्यय असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फॉर, ऑन, फ्रॉम, इन, अंडर, between, below, etc. And third one is preposition of direction, दिशावाचक शब्दयोगी अव्यय. The word to, towards, against are also used with reference to the direction, are called preposition of direction. नामे व सर्वनामे कोणत्या दिशेने आले आहे व कोणत्या दिशेने गेले यांचा संबंध दर्शविणाऱ्या शब्दास दिशावाचक शब्दयोगी अव्यय असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टू, ऑफ, अप, डाऊन, टुवर्ड्स, इन, इनटू, एक्सेट्रा. हिअर इज द सम एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ prepositions. See, first one, he jumped into the water. That is the preposition of place. Second one, the book is on the table. That is also on. On is a preposition. Is a preposition of place. It was started from morning. That is the preposition of time. I enjoyed rains during rainy seasons. During also the preposition of time. Raja went to Mumbai. That is to. To preposition is a preposition of direction. He lived in Mumbai from 3 years. That is also preposition of place and direction. Seven. Next one. He stood between Ram and Shyam. That is the preposition of place. Between. That preposition. He came to meet me at 8 p.m. To and at, it is a preposition of time. He pointed fingers towards Ramesh. Preposition towards is the preposition of direction. And last one, he sat under the tree. That is the preposition of place. Okay.